Now for the hi-hat, it's pretty common to see them too far away. Right now I really have to reach between my bass drum and my hi-hat pedal, and it puts me a little off balance. I want to basically feel like I'm just comfortably sitting down with my feet in front of me. So let's move the hi-hat closer. All right. That works pretty well. One other thing we might think about adjusting is the height of the cymbals. This is a multi-step process, so let me break it down for you a little bit. The hi-hat has a few different parts that can be adjusted. The top part is the clutch. That holds the upper cymbal. If this ever comes loose, just remember that you want to have a felt on each side of the cymbal to protect it from getting scratched before you tighten the piece underneath. All right, so now that I have that ready to go, I'm going to loosen it all the way, and then I will adjust both cymbals at the same time. I like my hi-hat to be a little higher up because it gives my left hand more room to operate underneath it.